Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CR-V. We're talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where guys the relay for the ignition coils is located, which relay you need to check, where to buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure to stand till the end. So, before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the ignition coils relay, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2015 Honda CR-V. You guys have two different fuse boxes, and we'll be working the fuse box that's actually easy to access. It's under the hood. Open your hood, your ignition coils will be under that cover, and that thing right here is your engine management fuse box. Open that cover, guys. You will see that fuse box layout right here. This is the front of the CR-V, this is towards the windshield side. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So, which relay we need to check for the ignition coils? Starting from this side, going this way, you have relay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's how they're numbered, guys. That relay right here, relay number 4, the Mitsuba relay, that's the one that you will need to check for the ignition coils if they do not work. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.